can just take like the shoes and the purse with it. If you can get an assistant for your wedding, please do, like, to assist you to hold the light and all that stuff. It's always better to have 2 people or 1 person to help you. F2.0, ISO 640, shutter speed 200. I want to do some creative shots with the purse and the shoes. Please note that your settings can always change. You determine your settings yourself. Okay, so let's see how this works. Yeah, amazing. Let's try this. Okay, so please turn the font this time. Bring light to the front. No, bring light here. Yes. Okay, so I'm going to show you what it looks like. Okay. You can try different angles also. You know, like pause the shoe. Just always move around, take different angles, and you can always just change the settings. From up, light from up this way. Things like the beads and jewelries, look for a plain surface, maybe white, black, just a plain surface, better for jewelries and other stuff like that. So this wood finish here is good enough for us. So let's take some few pictures. Okay, good. So change my angle. It's like this way a little bit, yes. So change my angle. I'm looking for some reflections on how I can take her getting ready to make it look interesting. So I'm looking at the mirror, then also the makeup artist. I'm looking for ways to make sure it comes out really nice. So I'm just trying different things. Just look for different angles you can work with, different shots. I'll show you how it looks like. We're trying to expose for the background. You can see how it looks like this now without the video light. So put the video light on back. That's how it looks like. Right now we have the bride on the bed, and I want to show you how it looks like with a video light and also with a speed light. So for a start, I'll start with the speed light first and show you how it looks like. I'm on ISO 400, 2.0 and shutter speed of 200. Can you come a little bit to this side, a little bit, shift a little bit. Thank you. Okay. Nice. Stay right there. Okay, perfect. Okay, I'll be using the video light to show you the difference between using a speed light or a flashlight and a video light. Take some few shots here. Thank you. Okay, see, you can see it beautiful. It looks beautiful. So the light look good. Nice, beautiful. See, eyes closed, please. Close your eyes. Beautiful. Yeah, beautiful. Yes, lovely. Okay, good.